Hi, and welcome to 4468 Bermuda Avenue in beautiful South Ocean Beach. This stunning single-level home is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with 1,000 square feet, and it sits on a large 7,000 square foot view lot. It is one of the last opportunities to purchase a turnkey bungalow on an oversized view lot in Ocean Beach. The gourmet kitchen is incredible with new cabinets, stone counters, GE Café appliances, and a very generous footprint. And the remodeled bathroom feels like you stepped into a spa. And no stone has been left unturned. The current owner has thoughtfully updated every inch of this house with a new kitchen and a bathroom with a walk-in shower, new windows, wide plank white oak hardwood floors, central heat and air, a tankless water heater, fresh paint inside and out, and oh, so much more. The sunsets, palm trees, and panoramic sit-down views will just blow you away. There are views to both the south and to the north, and easy alley access opens up so many possibilities. This coveted lot, perched high on the hill, has location, location, location. You are just blocks to Sunset Cliffs, sandy beaches, the yacht clubs, cafes and dining, and just minutes to downtown San Diego and the airport. It is also in the coveted Silvergate Elementary School District. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. Don't miss out. This one is utterly amazing and it could be yours. Call me today to make this dream your reality.